doesn't have to be big. Because in all honesty, if it exploded into bigness, it could very quickly burn out. It takes a really long time to make a brand and a really short time to destroy it, right? As we're watching right now, it takes very little to destroy a brand. It takes a really long time to build one. And so as you're breathing in and breathing out and breathing in and breathing out, and you're asking all the big questions of what is my purpose? Why am I here? Who is my audience? Why am I doing this? Am I being seen? Does this matter? And the answer is yes, it matters. It matters very much, mostly because it matters to you. It is important because it's important to you. And because it's important to you, you will continue putting in the energy and you will continue to make it grow. And you are, don't negate the day of small successes, right? You are having small successes. You just keep showing up as you.